Rising babes, chick babes, lux babes, and fur babies, grand rising. So we are here with another banging video, and this is a unboxing video. I have some new eyewear to unbox from none other than where? The Department of Veteran Affairs, Veteran Benefits Administration, Army, veterans. Yes, okay. So, y'all know I had my doctor's, I had an eye appointment on the 2nd of this month. And I guess, well, I'm sure your eyes change. You know, the older you get, I'll be like 54 in August. Yes, 54. So anyway, and they're free. All my health care is free. Yeah, so let me tell you, veterans, if there's any veterans out there watching, okay? Now, if you are at least 50% service-connected, disabled, Army veteran, all of your health care is free. Whether it be service-connected or not, it is free, okay? Also, make sure you get to your doctor's appointments, get your claims in, follow up, do everything that needs to be done, and get your 100%. Yes, get your 100%. I am 100%, and it is wonderful. I am a 100% permanent and total service-connected disabled Army veteran, and it's wonderful. Okay, so everything is free. And I was able to get, I got 2 pairs of glasses this time because my eyes have changed. Yeah. So I got a pair for, y'all, I got a pair for reading and a pair for distance. Okay. Okay, so the first pair, so these are the first pair, and I like them. I like them. I picked them out. I like them. Okay, these are for reading, y'all. These are my reading. Okay, I like them. I like them. I like them. I think these fits my face very good. And one thing about your doctor's appointments, to all you veterans, at least your eye appointments, veterans, you all know these eye appointments come once a year. So you do not, these are hard to come by. Eye appointment, any other appointment you can reschedule, but an eye appointment, oh, you'll be in some trouble if you miss one of those, because these only come once a year, an eye appointment. So you do not want to miss that. Okay, so those are my reading glasses. And then these are my distance glasses. Yes. Driving down the road, chit-chatting with y'all, looking all chick. Yes, I am that girl. I love them. I love them. Y'all, I can see all the way down the road from my VIP lounge. Yes. We are recording in my VIP lounge. Yes, we are. I am that girl. I can see all the way down the road. Y'all, it is a beautiful day. It had been raining. It rained all day yesterday. And I believe the day before as well. But it wasn't a heavy rain. It was just enough rain, you know, to keep the temperature nice and cool. So I think it's supposed to, well, yeah, the sun is supposed to come out around 9:30 or 10. Y'all know Coco, she's ready to hit the doggy park. Yes, so this is the unboxing video. Now y'all stay tuned for the try-on video, okay? And y'all let me know which pair you all like the best. Thanks for tuning in, and also I'm on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks.